You know, dental pain is the leading cause of school absence for kids in the United States. That's why the dental clinic at Roseman University in South Jordan is offering free teeth cleanings for its back-to-school brush-up event. Dental students Seth Sitton and James Richie are here to give us some of the details. Thanks for being here this morning, guys.
Of course.
A pleasure being here.
So when we mentioned kids are getting out of school, they're missing school because of this dental pain, what do you mean?
Well, I mean, I've broken bones before and I've had cavities, and whenever I do have cavities, I sure can't really function. Even
it's
sometimes,
hard to talk.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you drink a cold or hot drink, I mean, the pain's so severe you can't concentrate. And so these kids, we want to make sure we give them the best chance to be able to focus, concentrate on their studies, and not be so worried with this pain in their mouth.
Yeah, you think about how many kids, what they're doing at school. They're doing a lot of talking. Obviously, they're going to lunch. They're doing whatever there, so they're doing a lot of eating. And then being able to focus, I think that's a key point there. Yeah. So you guys obviously want to help out with that, but I'm curious, how big of a problem is it that you have kids? Obviously, they're missing school from this, but how bad are kids' mouths getting? What are you seeing there?
Well, kids' mouths can, I mean, they're much more susceptible due to, I mean, slightly different anatomy in the teeth, but they're not able to brush their teeth as well. If you have someone who can't tie their shoes, they don't have the hand skills to brush their teeth adequately. And so
really, they go together?
Yeah, so I mean, you have to develop that dexterity. You have to be able to use your hands to correctly brush your teeth, and kids just don't have that until a certain age. And so with regards to that, they don't have the ability to keep their mouths clean, and they develop certain habits which can last them the rest of their lives. And so it's pretty serious that we get those things figured out earlier so that they don't have problems later on in life.
So obviously you have kids coming into the clinic who've got some mouth issues. What's the worst you've ever seen?
I mean, I've seen patients as young as 14 having half their mouths needing root canals, just because they weren't taught, or maybe they didn't know the importance of just brushing twice a day and flossing and getting regular checkups.
And that's the understatement right there. Is, I mean, you have kids who are that young having to get the whole mouth retooled. I mean, how important is it to make sure you're getting the regular things, regular checkups, regular flossings and brushings and those type of things?
It's very important. Honestly, the sooner we can catch the issues before they become issues, the better for them and the better for everybody around them, just because they're able to focus and communicate better. And so the sooner we can catch the cavities, or the sooner we can just make sure that their mouths are staying clean, it's just so much better for them in the long run.
And you've got an opportunity here. If you're one of those parents, you're like, I need some help. My kids, I know they're not brushing their teeth. They're probably not doing all the other things, too.
Oh, yeah.
What are you going to help them do here with this dental clinic at Back to School Brush? Give me the name one more time.
Back to School Brush Up.
There you go. So what are you doing there for that event?
So we're going to provide free screenings and cleanings and just kind of see what's going on in their mouth. We give them, the next time they come in, their next visit, they'll have free x-rays, a free comprehensive exam, and also a $50 voucher for their next treatment appointment.
So basically, you're getting a chance to get in there, look at what they've got, give them a chance to clean it out, make sure to put them on their way, and teach them a couple things to make sure they know how to do it correctly.
Yeah, and it's not just all serious stuff. We've got activities going on, different things for them to learn and just have fun, as well as get their teeth checked.
Oh yeah, that's one thing I think you forget there. I mean, kids are not excited about going to the dentist. You've got to make a fun atmosphere for them.
Exactly.
When and where should they show up if parents want to bring their kids to this?
So it's Friday this week at Roseman University. It's from 9 to 4. It's a walk-in. You just show up, we'll get you signed up, we'll get you checked in, and we'll get you through, and we'll make sure we get everything taken care of.
There you go. And of course, if you want to find out more information, you see right there on your screen, rosemandental.com. Talking with some dental students right here from Roseman University, Seth here and James. Thanks for being here with us, guys.
Hey, it's a pleasure.
Good to be here.
And your teeth look great, by the way.
Thank you.
You're doing a good job.
Being a good dentist.
We try.
We're back after this.